Hold on a moment. Forget everything you thought you knew about prosperity. What I'm about to reveal to you is not just another piece of advice. It's an ancestral ritual that has changed the lives of millions of people around the world. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth and abundance easily, while others struggle and feel stuck, as if they're trapped in an endless cycle? Maybe the real secret to abundance doesn't lie in working harder or relying on luck. There's a hidden power, a spiritual connection that many ignore, and I'm here to unveil it for you. What I'm going to share with you today goes far beyond any conventional financial strategy. It's about a transformative approach, a simple yet profound practice that can change the course of your life. Are you ready to open your mind and your heart to a new reality of abundance? Imagine a ritual so accessible that you can do it right now in your home, with common ingredients. A practice that has already changed the lives of millions of people around the world. And you could be next. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more transformative content like this. If you're ready to change your life, I'm ready to welcome abundance and wealth from today onward, and start attracting what you deserve in your life. A simple yet extremely powerful ritual is within your reach. When I was lost, not knowing what to do, I found someone who changed the course of my life. On an unexpected journey, I met a wise Buddhist. In her serene eyes, she seemed to carry centuries of knowledge. She wasn't rich in material terms, but her presence conveyed something that you can't put into words: peace, wisdom, and prosperity. She lived simply, but she radiated abundance in every aspect of life. It was as if the universe was always on her side. And it was she who, in just a few words, revealed to me the secret that changed everything. Imagine someone who has spent over 70 years studying the mysteries of prosperity and the invisible energies that surround us. Someone who knows an ancient wisdom so powerful that it can open doors you didn't even know existed. And the best part is, I don't keep that secret just for her. She taught me how anyone, including you, can access this infinite abundance using just 3 simple things that you probably already have: water, salt, and a bay leaf. At first, I was skeptical. How could something so simple be so transformative? But the wise woman explained to me that true change doesn't come from complications or inaccessible things. On the contrary, the greatest transformations come from what is natural, pure, and deeply connected to the energy of the universe. These 3 elements weren't chosen at random. They act as a direct channel to unlock the energy of prosperity that already exists around you, but that you haven't been able to access until now. She told me stories of people who, by applying this practice, saw their lives change overnight. People who, just like you, were stuck in a cycle of debt and frustration, but after doing this ritual, started to see new opportunities, unexpected money, a feeling of peace they had never experienced before. Let me tell you the story of Rosa. Rosa was a hard-working woman, a single mother of 2. She lived in a small town where opportunities were scarce and money seemed to evaporate as quickly as it came. Despite her constant effort, she was always on the brink of exhaustion, trapped in a spiral of debt and worries. Stress accompanied her every night, and each day she woke up with the same feeling of hopelessness, wondering if she would ever see a change in her life. One day, after receiving yet another unexpected bill, Rosa felt completely defeated. Her efforts to improve her situation seemed futile, and she began to wonder if prosperity was just a dream reserved for others. It was then, while browsing the internet in search of answers, that she came across an ancient teaching about the power of energy and abundance. The concept was, there was a flow of prosperity around everyone, but only those who knew how to unlock it could take advantage of it. Intrigued, she decided to give it a try. She didn't have much to lose. After all, ritual seemed simple. Water, salt, and a bay leaf. There were no complications or excessive costs, just a promise that by doing it with intention, something in her life could change. That night, after putting her kids to bed, she sat at the kitchen table with the few ingredients she had on hand. She closed her eyes and began to visualize a different life, a life without debt, without fear of the future, filled with peace and abundance. She followed the ritual just as she had learned, reciting the words with hope. The first few days didn't seem to show any significant changes, but something in Rosa began to transform. She felt a slight calm, as if the weight she had been carrying for so long was starting to lift. A week later, something unexpected happened. She received a call from an old friend she hadn't seen in years. This friend offered her a well-paying temporary job, just what Rosa needed to catch up on her bills. It was a small opportunity, but it was the beginning of something much bigger. As the days went by, Rosa noticed how more doors were opening for her. She got a promotion at her steady job, opportunities for extra projects, and even a neighbor gifted her some products she needed for her home. It wasn't just the money, it was as if the energy around her had completely changed. The peace that once felt out of reach was now with her. And her kids, who used to see her always worried, started to notice the change in her. But the most surprising thing happened a month after doing the ritual. Rosa, without even looking for it, received an offer to sell a small piece of land she had inherited years ago, but had never considered valuable. The offer was much higher than she expected. With that money, she not only paid off all her debts, but she was also able to invest in a small store she had always dreamed of having. Rosa was no longer the same. The ritual had done much more than just bring material prosperity. It had given her the confidence and clarity to make decisions that transformed her life. Over the years, she continued using the same ritual, not just to attract more abundance, but to maintain that connection with the energy around her. Have you ever stopped to think about what your life would be like if money and opportunities flowed to you naturally, effortlessly? And that's the point. The simplicity of this ritual is exactly what makes it so powerful. It doesn't require more effort than your intention. By combining these three ingredients, you'll be unlocking something that goes beyond what the eyes can see, an invisible but real force that will start working in your favor. Now imagine for a moment, what would happen if you had the key to transform your financial and emotional life in your hands? A practice so powerful and accessible that you can do it right now in your home. What would you do with that new reality of abundance? Well, this secret, kept for generations, is about to be revealed. You're one step away from discovering how it works, and your life might never be the same. Stay with me and find out how to apply it today. Now that you know this secret has the power to transform lives, it's time to reveal how it works. And the best part is that you can start a ritual today. That you can do at home using just 3 extremely simple, yet incredibly powerful elements. Let's get to it. The first one is pure water. It's not just a liquid. Water is the universal symbol of purification. It has the ability to cleanse, renew, and create space for abundance. Think for a moment. Water flows naturally, just like prosperity should flow in your life. By using water, you're telling the universe that you're ready to clear blocked energies and open the doors for the new. The second element is salt, which has been used for centuries in rituals to eliminate negative energies. Salt has the ability to absorb everything that's blocking you, debts, worries, and that constant feeling of being trapped. By adding it to the ritual, you'll be breaking down those barriers, allowing positive energy and prosperity to flow into your life. Finally, the bay leaf. This simple leaf, often forgotten in the kitchen, is a powerful symbol of victory and success. Since ancient times, laurel was used to crown victors, warriors, and wise people. The bay leaf represents triumph and the fulfillment of your desires. When you place a bay leaf in this ritual, you're channeling the energy of victory, abundance, and the fulfillment of your dreams. Now imagine these 3 elements together, the water purifying your path, the salt removing everything that blocks you, and the bay leaf attracting prosperity. It seems simple, right? And it's that simplicity that makes this ritual so powerful. It connects you directly with the natural forces of the universe, with what is pure, essential, and transformative. Here's what you need to do. Take a glass of pure water, add a pinch of salt, and place a bay leaf inside. Close your eyes and hold the glass with both hands. Take a deep breath and visualize all your financial worries disappearing. Feel the weight of debts, fear, and insecurity being purified by the water. Visualize how the salt clears the way for the new and the bay leaf brings the abundance you desire so much. Now repeat after me. Accept prosperity. I am ready for abundance. And drink that water, feeling how each drop purifies your body, your mind, and your energy. Now you know the secret, a simple yet powerful ritual that can change your life if you do it with intention and confidence. Remember, the key is in your energy, in your willingness to accept abundance and let go of everything that has been blocking you until now. Prosperity isn't just about luck or hard work. It's the result of aligning your thoughts, your emotions, and your energy with what you desire. This ritual has transformed the lives of many people, and you could be next. Don't underestimate the power of the simple and the natural. Do this ritual with faith and watch as new doors begin to open, as well as unexpected opportunities and blessings that you may not have imagined. If this content has inspired you and you feel ready to take the next step towards prosperity, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming videos, and share this ritual with someone else who needs it. Let me know in the comments how you felt after doing the ritual and what changes you started to notice in your life. I'm excited to hear your transformation stories. See you in the next video, where we'll keep exploring more ways to attract abundance, success, and peace inside our lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, abundance is already available to you. Just have to open yourself up to receive it.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.